Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to watch Prime videos offline. Do note that I have already installed Amazon Prime on my laptop device. You can do this from your mobile device as well. This right here is the interface, and let's just say I want to download this video right here. Well, here's what we can do about it. Right here is the video that I want to view. I'm just gonna click on it. And as you can see, something like this opened up. That's the homepage for this specific video. I'm simply gonna scroll down, and right here, as you can see, right next to each episodes or movies, you can see a download button right here. Just click on it. It's gonna ask for some things like manage download options at any time in settings. Well, you can change the download quality from right here, also the audio languages. If everything's okay, simply hit on start download. And that's about it, guys. As you can see, the video is currently downloading. The download speed might vary depending upon your internet speed connection. As you can see, the video has been downloaded. Now in order to watch it offline, what you need to do is simply look at the left corner of the screen, and right here you will see a download icon just below settings. Just click on it, and right here this is the video that you had downloaded. Just click on it, and right here's the video. Simply hit on the play button and you can watch the CDs or movies offline. That's it, guys. That's the gist of it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.